Clips are the building blocks of every Ableton Live project. They allow you to record, arrange, and perform music in flexible ways, so it's important to understand the different types of clips in a project. Audio clips contain recorded sound such as vocals, instruments, or samples. So here I have an audio clip. We know it's an audio clip because we can see the waveform. MIDI clips, on the other hand, store musical note and performance data that trigger virtual instruments. So if I head to my pluck up here, double click, I can see all the information of the instrument. So here's my instrument. I've got a couple of MIDI effects affecting my arpeggiator and my velocity of the instrument. And I've also got an audio effect coming after the instrument, which is reverb. But I could change this instrument and it wouldn't change my notes. So if I jump over to my clip view, these notes will always remain. You can see this piano roll here. These notes will always remain. I can always go and change the actual instrument that is playing these notes. Launching clips up in our session up here is simple. We just hit play and the clip will play back. I'm going to turn my metronome off. And as we've discussed, this is a fantastic way to experiment with your music and the arrangement before recording it into your arrangement mode. So this is a non-linear view of your project. So clip looping is an important one to remember. Down here we have our loop button. If that's selected, that means the clip's just going to play over and over and over again. If we have it switched off, it'll just be a one shot. So it'll just play through. And it'll stop. It's useful to organize your set using colors, so you can adjust the color of the clips individually or the actual color of your tracks. I might want to organize all my percussion as this green color here. So I'm going to right click and select that green color and adjust my clip. So now that's my percussion section. My bass is going to be this color blue, being that my chords and my pluck and this vocal chant are all melodic elements. And in the top range of the register, I'm going to make them all the same color. And I can click and drag and select all those clips and change their color really easily like that. I might also want to group those tracks. So if I select, so I'm holding my shift button, click, select, and I can hit Command G or Control G if you're on a PC. And there's my group for the top end of the register. I've got my bass down here. I've got my percussion over here. And all of a sudden, I've got a very, very organized set. So I'm going to right click that and rename it melodic. And there we have our clips organized and really easily identified.